Greetings everyone, welcome back to Sephiroth and Sypha's channel. Today what we have here is a Primal Attack Rhamphorhynchus. There is the DNA scan, and we have the Tupandactylus from Dino Trackers. Here's the DNA scan. We're going to be talking about pterosaurs today. This one is pretty unique right here, or rare. I mean, can't be found anywhere else anymore. And this one is a classic one. You can't even find this as well. This is from 2018. Very rare. Can't find these guys anymore. A really small pterosaur here. Rhamphorhynchus. So I've heard of this too before, but this THAPUNGAKA, shall we have never heard of it before. It is a monstrous pterosaur. Look at that face. Scary. Okay guys, so we're gonna unbox this lovely right here. We haven't done this Pyroraptor yet. Like I said, we're going to be skipping this Herrerasaurus because it looks so similar at like the Dino Tracker. Okay guys, so we're going to check this guy out. We're going to unbox it. Okay guys, this feels like an epic pterosaur right here. So we're going to give him a rarity called Epic. Let's unbox it. I want to be careful. There you go. Alright, so let's check the DNA first. Lovely. I like the wings all tattered right there. Tattered, the holes. That's nice. So if you push the wings, go. Oh, wait. There you go. It flaps. Nice. Pretty epic, huh? The mouth does not move. It's manual. You have to do it yourself. The head turns left and right. Actually, it doesn't even turn. Wow. I thought it does. Oh, great. Look at that. I damaged it from the knife. From this blade earlier. Nice. That's why I have to be extra careful, guys. I totally damage it. Great. Let's just say it's a scar now. It's a scar of the dinosaur. But anyways, okay, no color on the underbelly. Nothing. Under the wings, none. But it has some scars. That's nice. And of course, the newly scar that I gave today. Right there. It has a color underneath the jaw. Light brown. It has a little goatee though over there. Okay. It looks like a Caprisuchus, like a flying Caprisuchus, guys. Okay, okay, at least the legs can move. I wish the wings can fold, but no, that's gonna be like a Hammond collection thingy. Okay, so let's compare to the Tupandactylus. Alright, about the same. A bit shy same right there. The Rhamphorhynchus obviously is smaller, because it is a small pterosaur. There you go. So yeah, this is a nice piece. Very nice. I'm loving it. Now this is an epic creature right here. I don't think this is a dinosaur, or maybe just an extinct reptile, an extinct pterosaur. So yeah, pretty cool, guys. There you have it. It doesn't go left and right, doesn't go up and down, nothing, just the wings. Yeah, wing flipping action says. Okay, so that's pretty much it. It has a Giganotosaurus symbol. Don't get that part. I don't get that part at all. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it for today. You guys have a good weekend now. And don't forget to click, like, subscribe, or comment. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Fare thee well.